Got this Paslode Framing Nailer and just gonna do a quick little unboxing. It says it comes with 2 batteries, the framer comes with this pair of safety goggles, and they hooked us up with a jumper as well. Sweet, so it comes with a bit of a safety manual. Here's the glasses, another battery, charger, and this is the gun. I'll put these batteries on charge, and on the box it was saying 2-minute charge gives you up to 200 shots, so I'll just put it on for a couple minutes. So to put any gas in this one, pull this back and it clips out. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand, but basically you just put the little gas cartridge in there and then clip it back up. So Bob's your uncle, she's in there. There we go. All good. Now just chuck the battery in and some nails and give it a go. These little nails in here. Just pull this back. Slide them in. And there we go. So I just chucked me my safety goggles on. I just got a couple scrap pieces of timber as well, just so I can show you guys what it's like to chuck a couple nails in. So when you push down, I'll just make a little gas noise and then just pull it in. So some of these holes are a bit different. You can hear it as well. That's a misfire. It's probably because these nails are a bit old, and when you go to fire it, it just doesn't get it, just doesn't grab it. So there you go. That's the Paslode framer. Cheers for watching, guys.